Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be showing you all how you guys can cop the Nike Dunk Low SB Wasted Youth. We finally have another pair of SB Dunk Lows dropping, not just a pair of Dunk Lows but another pair of SBs, so a little bit different, but pretty much the same thing, just another pair of dunks as you guys would know it. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Again, you guys want more how to cop videos, more content just like this. I do plenty of videos just like this one, as you guys can see on my channel, so feel free to subscribe below, drop a like, anything like that I'd appreciate for sure. If you want to, again, the goal in this video, let's just make, I'm gonna say just 200 likes, something simple. I usually go for that, so I'd appreciate if we could get that goal. And sorry if my energy seems low, your boy's pretty tired today, but yeah, it's like noon, so he needs to start waking up and get his day going. So I'm here with the video, and yeah, hope you guys will enjoy. Check my Discord down below if you want to. Also, it's a little free chat too, just talking about like shoes and stuff. But let's get into the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am here with the screen recording, and I do, again, just as usual, Instagrams are on the screen. You want to check them out, they're both down below. So, I got this one and my reselling one, so check them out if you want. Again, not going to harass you all about that. So let's just kind of discuss this pair of Dunk Lows, again, SBs. This is a very, very hyped pair of dunks. There's a lot of people discussing these. A lot of people just want these ones to wear. Again, this has just been one that's pretty popular, and hopefully, some people that, skate will get some pairs of these, rightfully so. That would definitely be the right thing to do here. But again, this is probably going to go to the hype beast, which again, there's no big deal really, but you can tell this is kind of the main thing that is putting the hype for the shoe kind of over the top, is this little rose. I don't know why they don't have like an up close detailed picture of it, but it's this rose right here that's kind of on this Nike swoosh right here. It actually kind of like becomes the Nike swoosh, I guess, and it's a really hyped part of the shoe. Overall, has cool design. The material, that was the crazy stutter, and I'm definitely leaving that in the video so you guys can have a laugh right there. But I wish they had chosen different materials, but I'm sure there's a reason for the material they chose. And I noticed I just forgot a key part of this video. Do not forget, again, the Snkrs retailing normal dunk price $110 retail, and it's dropping April 6th at 10 a.m. Eastern time, so make sure you mark your calendars there. Off Snkrs, this is pretty much the biggest location where there's going to be stock dropping, since I'm not seeing any FOOTSITES for these ones, nothing really too serious, but it's just like most limited dunks. So if you get them off Snkrs, be happy, because this isn't going to be like a hold or anything, I'd say, because again, dunks are kind of going downhill on resale, I'd say. So I wouldn't say it's a hold. I'd say if you get it, probably sell it, but this is just for resellers again. I don't know what my voice just did that right there, but that's just kind of for resellers again. If you want to sell them, and you're just that's your goal for the shoe, you want to get them to resell them, then I would just recommend, if you do get them, just flip them now. It's not a hold, not a shoe to invest in. But yeah, don't forget drop date, time, very important detail. That's probably the most important thing you need to remember right there, because you don't want the reason you missed the drop to be because you slept through. Especially for my West Coast guys, don't forget 3 hours earlier for y'all, so it's gonna be 7 a.m. so you really don't want to miss out, man. You might have to get up, shoot. Hopefully you're feeling straight when you get up at 7 a.m. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's just all I can say right there. So again, kind of going over the material right here. This is just kind of what I was talking about. I wish it could have maybe been a little bit different. It's not like anything I hate really. Maybe they could have just used like normal, like a leather, not leather, jeez. Well, yeah, like a patent leather or something like that. Just something simple, I guess. But I guess that would make them really, really basic. And don't forget the Wasted Youth portion, because these are called the Wasted Youth dunks. It's a collaboration with Verdi also, and he's the artist, Japanese artist. So just a couple more details I'd point out about that. And overall, it's a good looking shoe, and it is very hyped. So let's just kind of get into, I guess, another part of this video, another portion that people are always asking me about, is the resale for these shoes. So kind of looking at how they're doing right now, again, on StockX, they do have a lot of sales, and they've been pretty consistent. You can see they're up there right now, 230 something sales. And if you kind of look at what the recent ones have been, yeah, they're up at like, look, $500, $590, $580, $600. So these shoes are selling right now for around, I'd say, $540 to $580, which is pretty good. If you go look at all sizes, I think the range is a little bit different. Yeah, like some of those smaller ones, that's not like really correct, I'd say. Like if I went and looked at some of the recent sales for like a size 7 for this one, and also no grade school sizes or anything for the shoe. This is again adult sizes only. So yeah, you can see more or less towards like $500. Some of the recent sales at least. So this one, I personally see all sizes. Once it does drop, all the pairs will drop below $500 in my opinion. That's just what I think. Yes, they do have some at like $600, but I think they're all going to drop below $500. But I do not think they're going to drop below $400. I think this shoe is very, very hyped, and not only that, I think it's pretty limited also, and there's a lot of details again that people like about this shoe. Again, I thank you for StockX for having more detailed pictures than Snkrs. Appreciate that. I don't like what is Nike doing with like some of these pictures. Like I wish they're doing stuff like this. Like if they did stuff like this, that'd be cool. Like StockX can do it, I know they can. And yeah, this is again why the shoe is hyped. You can see the swoosh kind of turns into the rose, and I think that's, I mean, it's a really cool concept. I mean, I like it. Shout out Verdi. You know, again, I'm not educated on who he is, I'll be completely honest, but you know, he's a Japanese artist and I really like his work here. It's really well done. And this shoe is couldn't, I mean, for how it looks, I mean, it actually probably couldn't be better. It's really well done. So aside from that, again, I think resale on this one is probably going to be around, this is going to be kind of a bigger range than I would put for most releases, but I think resale on these ones I'm going to put at 380 to 480. I think again it will drop below 400, but I mean I'm putting it in the $100 range, so it is a big range. But I'm thinking the smaller sizes, you know, like those sizes like 4 and 7. I'm thinking, you know, like like 4 through 7. I'm thinking those will be going for, you know, a little bit more. I'm thinking, you know, the kind of those smaller, like those base sizes. But we'll kind of see again on these ones. I don't think it's really a hold into the summer. It could be, but we'll just kind of have to see. I'll keep an eye on it. But yeah, overall resale on this one, that's what I'm thinking, 380, 480. It is a big range, I know, but that's just what I'm, you know, kind of trying to, you know, capture all the sizes, because I think there's going to be a big like spread out in the pricing of like all these depending on what size you get. That's just what I think personally. I've kind of seen it for, you know, a lot of dunks. So aside from that, you know, kind of resale right there, if you're even interested in reselling these ones, if you just want to get them, let's kind of explain how you guys could cop these off the Snkrs app right now. Another you know, part to it is stuff, you know, knowing the date and time, retail, all that. I always link this video down below, but this is a new version, a new updated Snkrs how to cop video I actually made very recently. So if you guys want to go check it out down below, if you're kind of not sure on how to make multiple accounts on Snkrs to cop more often, I like run through this whole like detailed notepad right here, kind of explaining like how you can, you know, make more Snkrs accounts on your computer, if you got a computer, or even on your phone. I kind of explain, you know, what to do, the whole process to making multiple Snkrs accounts, and you know how you would like alter your address for each account, since you can't, like if you do hit on like 2 phones and Snkrs, you say for the same drop, you can't ship them both to the same address. I kind of explain how you can change up your address and, you know, still get them both to your house. So yeah, the whole process is explained in this video, so if you want to check it out down below. You guys have been saying you want more content like this, so I'll definitely look into making more like Snkrs tips and tricks videos. But yeah, this is just again just kind of like the how to cop video right there, so check that out down below. And this notepad again is kind of, you know, what I run through in the video, kind of explaining everything, all the details. It's a long video, so a lot of information there. But aside from that, I also want to give a huge shout out to my guys at Secret Sauce. As always, this is my go-to cook group, as you all know. I always mention these guys, you know, these are my homies right here, and they are a $60 monthly fee, but I want to explain to you guys that this is 100% worth it. You can easily pay back that $60 monthly fee. It's not even much when you really think about it. Once you start reselling and looking at everything that they provide in that chat, it's pretty crazy. There's tons of ways to make money, but the main way that you could cop releases just like this one right here is that they provide a service called tickets in their Discord chat. And what the ticket service is once you get into it, there's a ticket section in there, and once you go clicking it, it takes you kind of to the site, and there's free and paid slots. And what the slots are again is that it's basically a Google form, and in that Google form you put your payment and shipping info for, you know, whatever release you're trying to get. Let's say you're trying to get, you know, Supreme drop this week, or starting like sneaker release that's, you know, dropping in a couple days. They'll have the Google form, you put in your payment and shipping info, and then they put it into their bots and cop releases for you. They don't take your info anything further than that. You know, if you have a slot that's like a paid slot, then you just have to pay them the little fee after if they copy something. And it's a great system. I love how it works, and they even explain how to, you know, use the whole system in their Discord too, if you're kind of confused even what I said right now. But if you're trying to get into, again, making more money, kind of reselling, you know, or even whatever, then be sure guys go check out my guys Secret Sauce down below. Go send them a message on Twitter if you want to get in. Just be like, yo, Tristan sent me, how could I get into the group? I'm really trying to get in, you know. And yeah, that's, you know, all you really got to do. It's pretty simple right there. It's exclusive though. They don't let everybody in, but you could get a chance right there, and that kind of, you know, I'm helping y'all out right there with that one, hopefully. But aside from my guys at Secret Sauce, I will also link these two articles down below. This is the House of Heat and the Raffles Snkrs article. I'm going to be linking both of these down below, just kind of showing y'all all the locations where these Wasted Youth dunks will be dropping. Really, again, only Nike.com right now. Only Snkrs is looking like they're having these mainly for stock, but there's plenty of raffles. So if you want to go enter in some raffles for these, there's plenty of European raffles, and even like, you know, if you live in Australia, shout out my Australia gang. Comment down below if you're from Australia. No, don't cap though. Don't lie. If you're actually from Australia, comment down below. I'm just kidding around, but if you want to, that'd be cool. But yeah, there's plenty of raffles for, you know, my overseas guys. So if you want to go enter them, feel free. Always some good chances right there. And that's really everything I got to say right there. So I'm gonna end the screen recording, and that's so you guys can cop those dunk lows down below. I'll link the how to cop video, those 2 articles, and you know, anything else important down below, you guys will see there. So that's really everything gotta say. Let's roll the outro. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Again, if you all do want more content just like this video right here, you already know I got you all, so feel free to subscribe below and also drop a like. I'd appreciate it. Again, let's make the goal for this video just 200 likes, something simple. Like goal I've definitely gone for before, plenty of times if you've been watching my videos before. If you haven't, then go ahead, you know, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more. You know, we're always trying to help people out with getting releases, sneaker investing. We do plenty of stuff. And yeah, that's really everything I gotta say. So check my Instagrams, Discord, all that down below if you want to. And I'd appreciate it if you guys, you know, go check those down below. But that's everything your boy has to say. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching. And yeah, you know, just kind of the quick outro, straight to the point. So hopefully I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.
Like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. And water, my friend.
Sticks made a bucket hit.